This is the demo of how to use our iPhone app and our Android app. They're pretty similar. It is you can either access the program via the mobile web app, which is in the link in your program letter, or you can download the iPhone app or the Android app from the respective stores. Once you log in to the app, there you go. This is what the app looks like. As you can see in the bottom left-hand corner and in the middle, there's two new icons. The far left is Team Fit Body Life, and that icon is where you would log into your program. So here's your window to log into your program. Type in your credentials. Remember to click on Remember Me, and then here's you are now logged into your program. You can either choose a menu item on the top or in the bottom. First, we'll look at meal plans. This will tell you your active meal plan here. I'll tell you when the start date is and what your current weight is on that meal plan. Click View, and this will tell you your total calories for training day and then total calories for non-training day. Obviously, this is not my calorie intake. You can choose training meal or non-training meal. Let's look at training meal. Once you click on that, once again, it breaks down how many calories and how many carbs, how much fat and how much protein you're eating. You can either click View All to see the whole day. Okay. And then you can scroll back to the top by hitting the clock on top. Okay. Or you can view meal by meal. So you can choose what meal you want to look at. So let's say you want to choose meal 2. Hit go. And there you go. It breaks down each item and then total for that meal. Okay. So the meal plans are pretty self-explanatory. The workout plan, let's hit view, and you can either choose what day you want to look at, what body part, or view all. So I'm going to show you an example of Tuesday. So here is your program on Tuesday. This tells you all the exercises, and 1 RM means percentage of 1 rep max. So let's say if you squat 100 pounds maximum one time, 80% of that is 80 pounds. Try to do a rep range that you can barely finish at 9.5. If you finish 10, if you feel like you can do more than 10, it's a little bit too light for you. So let's click on input weight. When you click on input weight, it tells you how many sets, how many reps, how much rest time, and you see these 4 boxes with numbers. Input how much weight you do for that set, so you can keep track of it and see how well you progress in the coming weeks. As you can see, there's multiple weeks here. So let's say on the 3rd week I did 110 pounds. So as you can see, the last week I did 105. And if you scroll down more in the bottom, there's descriptions of the exercise, just in case you don't know how to do it. So after you put the weight, hit go, and it moves on to the next exercise. Same thing. At the bottom, it gives you the details, and if I have a comment for you, it's in the comment section. Also, oops. I'm trying to show you an exercise that has on this particular exercise, straight arm, lat rope pull down. If you scroll on the bottom, there's a video demonstration. Just click on that and it starts playing. Okay. Once you're done, hit done and it goes back. Okay. So this is where you track your progress in your program, your workouts in here and your meal plans in here as well. So the next part of this app is you hit back. Every week I would like you to send me photos first thing in the morning when you wake up around 9 a.m. To get your true weight every single week. Instead of emailing it to me, you launch your app, hit member update, put in your name, full name please, not just first name or last name, week number it is, what your weight is, okay, and here you can choose photo. You can either take a photo or choose a photo. So let's say we're going to just choose a photo. And all you do is go through, choose the photos you already took. Okay, your email. And in the bottom, if you have any comments for me or something you want me to know, let me know in there. And then submit. Make sure that it submits completely and it gives you a welcome page or a welcome notification so that you know that it's been uploaded. And that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoy the app. There's new things coming up in the app in the next 2 weeks or so. In this part of the app, you'll be able to upload your photos up there. You'll also be able to look at your progress history. You will have a profile page where you can see each week's photo and at every angle. Then you'll be able to compare. So let's say you want to compare week 5's front photo to week 3 front photo, or week 1 left side photo to week 5 left side photo, and then it'll display the photo furthest photo back on top and the most recent photo in the bottom. So that way you can see how you progress. Pictures speak 1,000 words, and although we don't see changes on the scale, or we don't see changes in the mirrors every day, what we see changes in pictures is more dramatic and it tells a bigger picture. So that way it keeps you motivated. That's it. Have fun, guys.